My name's Tim Leishman. I teach in the robotics program here at the College of Technology. And for my ITF, Ignite Their Future Camp Strand, our students are doing the useless box and ESP32. So this is the example of the useless box. It's all 3D printed. There's a custom PCB that the students get to build and solder up, and then they're using a servo motor. We've got a LiPo battery in here. It's got battery control circuit right here that is USB-C rechargeable. And here's how it works. So totally useless, a useless box, but we get to explore servo motors and semiconductors and how to control that signal. The second half of our camp strand, we are doing the ESP32 microcontroller. The students are going to get a kit that's got a temp humidity sensor in it. We've got the OLED. They're also getting this gyro accelerometer, and we're just going to figure out how to program ESP32 modules using the Arduino IDE. So lots of cool stuff going on with our camp strand. So this camp strand is going to help develop students and give them a hands-on experience for electronics, some prototyping, designing, and some programming. So it gives them that taste that if they want to go down that pathway, there's careers and opportunities available for those students, and they can, maybe figure out in high school to pick up a different computer programming class, computer science, maybe work on some applied mathematics. There's just lots of opportunities after they graduate from high school if they decide they want to come to the College of Technology and go through a program like mine, the robotics program. We've got tons and tons of employers and opportunities for students with these type of skill sets.